In Hakmi versus Eastern North Hertfordshire NHS Trust and Another, the High Court addressed costs consequences, where a defendant pursues an unsuccessful allegation of fundamental dishonesty against a claimant who has lost the underlying claim. The claimant, a consultant orthopaedic surgeon, brought a clinical negligence claim for failure to offer thrombolysis following a stroke in November 2016, with agreed quantum of £1,033,824. The claim was dismissed primarily on causation grounds, the court finding that thrombolysis would probably not have altered the claimant's Modified Rankin Scale outcome of 2. The defendants pursued an allegation under Section 57 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015 that the claimant deliberately underperformed in neuropsychological testing to advance his claim. David Pittaway KC, sitting as a Deputy High Court judge, rejected the fundamental dishonesty allegation, finding the defendants failed to prove it to the civil standard. On costs, the court ordered the claimant to pay the defendant's costs, not to be enforced without permission, but also ordered the defendants to pay 15% of the claimant's costs from the 18th of March 2025, reflecting the burden imposed by the unsuccessful fundamental dishonesty allegation. The court rejected the defendant's argument that such an order would undermine the costs regime, holding that conversely, failure to make such an order would give defendants a free tilt at raising dishonesty issues without consequence. Quote, "I have carefully considered the correspondence between the parties before the trial. It provides context for the period in the lead-up to the trial, including Mr. Hakmi's solicitors putting the defendants on notice that, in the event that the issue of fundamental dishonesty failed, there would be an application for costs, and the defendants making 2 drop-hands offers shortly before trial. In any event, the trial went ahead, and the defendants pursued the issue of fundamental dishonesty until the end."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.